Good day, everyone. Welcome to the Echoes Online. I am Porak, bringing you the latest updates on how our campus journalists are gearing up here on our campus. As the Division School's press conference approaches, student journalists are busy preparing their articles, scripts, pieces. Behind every entry lies dedication, discipline, and countless hours of practice. Join us as we take a closer look at how our campus journalists prepare for DSPC, from brainstorming ideas to refining the writing skills. With me now is the newly elected president of Bahay Pare National High School, Ms. Cassandra Lacsamana of 11 Processor. Good morning po.
Morning po.
I have few questions to ask po. First, anong nafe-feel mo now that you're the new elected SSLG president of Bahay Pare National High School?
Masaya po ako right now.
Next po, ano sa tingin mo yung mga qualities na mayroon ka to be qualified and i-vote ka nila for president?
For me siguro kaya ko makipag-communicate sa mga student. Yun talaga yung kailangan kasi to be part of SSLG, kailangan mo talaga makipag-communicate sa mga students.
Next po, ano-ano ang mga campaign promises na pinaplano mong i-prioritize sa mga unang buwan mo as president next school year?
Yung one of namin, platforms namin is Learning Barkadahan session, tutoring session sa mga struggling students. Tapos yung next naman po is about mga journalists. Since sa school natin is yung mga journalists natin nahihirapan sila since 2 weeks lang palagi yung mga training. Yung ibang school ang dami ng time nila for training tapos tayo konti lang.
Next po, ano ang mga pagbabago ang gusto mong mangyari rito sa school?
Tulad nga po ng sinabi ko about journalists, gusto ko na na mas mapahaba yung training nila para kaya natin makipagsabayan sa ibang school.
Last po, sa tingin mo, paano mo maibabalance ang time mo sa studies and sa duties mo as president?
Sobrang tagal ko naman nang naging part ng SSLG. Nababalance ko naman siya. Pwede naman tayo maglaan ng oras sa natin sa ACAD sabang ginagawa mo yung duty sa SSLG.
Thank you po.